Hello, good evening po sa lahat. So, ngayon nandito tayo sa ating dashboard, then monetization, and then itong in-stream ads natin. So, ito yung panibagong terms update for in-stream ads. Effective October 6, 2023. So, ito, if you don't follow the terms for in-stream ads, you may not be eligible to receive any payouts for in-stream ads. So, ito yun. See terms tayo. And then, ito yun. Kailangan natin tong basahin. So, medyo mahaba lang siya. Ayan. So, ayan. Problema talaga pag hindi natin ma-follow yung panibagong terms update dito sa ating Facebook page. So, ayan. Pwede ninyong i-check inyong mga dashboard and monetization.